And we're back to learning CapCut in a year, day 114. Let me show you the nose reshape option. So we can also reshape that part of the face. I'll add the same clip 2 times in the same project and I stack them. You want to go to video retouch for the top clip and then find the auto reshape. So I close the drop downs that come before it and then you can find it pretty easily. Switch to nose. You can apply it to a single person or to an entire group. We're going to use the same clip here that I've been using for the face reshape. It's just a single person. Width and bridge are the ones that are freely available, so you can use that without having to pay for the pro version of CapCut. The other ones, height, root, size, Roman, upturned, and stereoscopic nose. These are pro features, so keep that in mind. It's going to cost you credits. When you adjust it all, the nose actually looks pretty different from the original. But good news is that it's very stable. So whatever you adjust here, it's stable throughout your clip. And if we compare it here to the original, you can see it's a massive adjustment that you can create here via these simple sliders. So once more, if you want to do it, video retouch, find the auto reshape, then switch to nose. And in my case, I applied it to a single person, or you can apply it to an entire group. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.